Say something funny for the intro, Michaela.
Yeah.
Hey intro.
Hey intro.
Hey intro.
Hey intro.
Nailed it.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling, falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to.
Hey, starting the vlog off in the car this time. I just wanted to switch it up because we're going to the food market.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling, falling for no.
So we're here at the Red Deer Food Market, or the Red Deer Market. I'm not really sure exactly which one it is, but it's one of those two. It looks pretty cool. I don't know. I've never been to this before, but I'm hoping that they're gonna have some good food because I'm starving. It's like noon already and I haven't eaten anything today. So let's go check this thing out.
Nobody
Where are you?
else but you.
You can off-road.
Oh, you're videoing me. Oh my goodness.
It's an all-terrain vehicle.
I've got a feeling I'm falling, falling for nobody else but you. I'm
Everyone's waiting, so I can just get up here and order.
Hi, how's it going?
Hey, it's good. How are you?
Good.
Hi. I don't know if you guys remember me. I was here before.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you came
Hey,
back!
Stro, what's up? What's up?
I'm making a sandwich.
Do you have Doritos today with the
We do.
Doritos one?
We have Doritos.
Yeah!
Doritos!
Can I get that one and some of the tater tots too?
We are out of tater tots.
Oh!
nobody else but you.
So there's a big line for cheddar heads back there. You know, I said I wanted a grilled cheese sandwich, but we gotta wait for a second, so let's shoot something interesting here.
You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling, falling for nobody else but you.
I waited so long that I forgot what I was waiting for. Found a place to sit. Let's check this out. Now this is, if you guys have been watching my vlogs for a while, this is the grilled cheese I wanted in like my very first vlog. But I didn't get it because they were out of avocados, but now. Oh. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one. All right, I'm gonna get the camera. Focus, please. Look at that grilled cheese deliciousness. Baby. All right, let's pull it out. So just so you know, this grilled cheese, oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. The cheese is oozing, baby. This mother has got avocados, it's got Doritos, and of course, it's got freaking cheese on it. This is an amazing sandwich. I can't wait to have a bite. It's been like literally a year since I've had one of these because the cheddar truck is only seasonal. Oh. See, some people might think that $15 for a grilled cheese sandwich and chips is too expensive. And, you know, on a regular day-to-day basis, I would agree with you. But, I mean, on a treat-yourself sort of schedule, I don't think it's that big of a deal. So this place closes in like 10 minutes or something like that. So I gotta go check out what's going on. See what else I'm missing. I really just wanted the grilled cheese sandwich, but there's gotta be more to this place than just that, right?
Nobody else but you.
Mini donuts are easily my favorite dessert snack type fare food. #1 food snack in the land.
You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through.
Baby mini donuts. Oh, these are good. Oh, do you see this deliciousness? It's incredible.
Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to.
So the Red Deer Market, pretty darn cool. Definitely good mini donuts. Definitely good grilled cheese sandwiches. However, it is now time for me to return to my home and continue on with my day.
I used to. I used to. I used to. Nobody else but you.
So I finished everything that I had to do at home, and now I'm kind of like wondering what I should do next. I think my beard needs a trim.
Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. I've got a feeling I'm falling.
This is fancy.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. I'd like to get a haircut if I
Sure.
could.
Have you been here before?
Not to this location.
Nobody else but you. I'm flying high, but show me the ring and I'll jump right through. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through.
So I'm waiting for a text message to let me know when my haircut's ready. So I'm just gonna explore the rest of the mall and see what's going on here. There's some beautiful music playing and it's going to be lovely. Why don't you join me?
Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I used to. I used to. I used to.
No, I'm not taking pictures, I'm making a video. Permission?
Yeah, to make a video, we have to get permission from manager to make a video.
Oh no, I'm in trouble. I got in trouble for vlogging in here because I'm not supposed to be making a video inside of Hudson's Bay. But guess what? I'm still doing it. I'm undercover. Undercover Minolta. Quick, like the shadows. Like the shadows. They still haven't texted me about my haircut. It's 6:08. Ah, well, let's just keep waiting.
You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to.
6:40 now. I was told it was gonna be 10 to 15 minutes at like 6 o'clock.
Show me the ring and I'll jump right through.
I did get called in for my haircut an hour and a half later at 7:30. I couldn't record a lot of that stuff. I ended up recording some stuff and then deleting it because I ran out of space on my camera's SD card. I didn't have any more memory to record a video. Either way, I did get my haircut and this is what it looked like.
Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I used to.
So, Tommy Guns, the wait was brutal, but they recognized that. Boom, gave me $5 off next time I come by. So, that's pretty legit. That's pretty legit. I was upset about the wait, but I'm not quite as upset as I was. Where's my car? That's the vlog for this week. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. See you next time.
I used to.
My backup works too.
Oh, wow. You don't mess around.